Elevation Diecast Racing. Today, I'm going to be going over treasure hunts and super treasure hunts. First, how to identify a regular treasure hunt. You're going to be looking at the bottom of the blister pack, and you're going to be seeing a little system, a little symbol, and a little text saying, "Congratulations. Congratulations. This symbol means you just found a collectible treasure hunt car." And the symbol is on the car. This is what you call a regular treasure hunt. Then, for the supers, the symbol will be in gold. This one's a little hard to see, but you can still see it. And the super treasure hunt will also have a mainline version. This is the mainline version, and this is the super treasure hunt version. As you see on the blister pack, this doesn't have a gold symbol, and this does. And with this car, it's pretty cool. It's an 8-ball, so it tells you your fortune. You got a super, and on this one, it says, "My sources say no." So that's another way you can tell on this one, which is pretty neat. But with this super, it has Spectral Flame paint and Real Rider tires, which is rubber tires. This one just has acrylic paint and plastic tires. And the super is more collectible. Now that you know how to identify them, I'm going to showcase some of them. First, we're going to start with my favorite super treasure hunt I have. 2019 Ford Mustang Shelby GT500. There is also a mainline version of this one. And this also has Spectral Flame paint and Real Rider tires. And also it has the gold symbol. That's my favorite one. This 66 Nova is the first super treasure hunt that me and my dad got. It's pretty cool. Same thing. Real Rider tires, gold symbol, and Spectral Flame paint. Also, it's a 50th anniversary one, which is pretty cool. Now, these two are regular treasure hunts. This is my favorite regular treasure hunt we have. Little Mustang funny car. This one just has the normal symbol. And on treasure hunts, they have a little symbol actually on the car, which I forgot to review, but if you can see it, it's about right there. It's the same symbol that's on the card. And with the supers, actually, they have a TH right there. They have it. The glare is kind of, but there's the TH. And, of course, our first treasure hunt we got is this Fastbed Hauler. There's the treasure hunt symbol. Easy to see on that one. Pretty cool car. Those were some of my favorites and some of our firsts. But now we're going to start reviewing the rest. To start off, we got a 4-pack of treasure hunts. This 67 Camaro is not a treasure hunt, but it's a Kroger exclusive, which is just as fun and exciting to find as just a treasure hunt like this Camaro right down here. These two are 2020s, these are 2019s treasure hunts. Custom Corvette Stingray, 67 Camaro, Dodge Viper, and 2013 Hot Wheels Chevy Camaro. Those are all pretty nice treasure hunts. The next lot of 4 got the Trisaurus Truck, Shark Bruiser, Motosaurus, and the Banzuma. These 3 are 2019s, and this one's a 2020. They all have the treasure hunt symbol on the body, and they all have the symbol. These are also pretty cool animal-themed treasure hunts. Up next, we got some food-themed up here. 2019, 2020, 2019, and the Beatles. All the same thing. They have the treasure hunt on the body and on the bottom of the blister. These are all super neat treasure hunts. These are some of my favorite ones. Got the SWAT team ones. There's the first one that we reviewed earlier. There's one of the new 2021 treasure hunts. There are two SWAT cars, armored truck, and a Mercedes. And of course, the fastbed hauler. This is also one of our first treasure hunts. We got this one at an antique store, Brass Armadillo. That is a very cool store, and that will be a video in itself. Also, some pretty cool treasure hunts. They all have the treasure hunt symbol on them, of course. This is the final regular treasure hunts we have in a 4-pack, and then we have a few single blister treasure hunts and supers. You know, got some trucks going, vans, all kind of a theme here. This is a pretty cool set. This is 2021, 2020, 2020, and 2019 treasure hunts. We also have older treasure hunts in the single packs after this. For example, this is an old regular treasure hunt, but the thing is, they were all called treasure hunts. Back then, there wasn't considered a super treasure hunt or a regular treasure hunt. For instance, this is from a similar year. See, this one does have real rider tires, and this one has plastic tires, but the thing is, they were both just considered a regular treasure hunt until about 2017. This one right here is a regular treasure hunt, obviously, because it only has the gray symbol. And this one's a super treasure hunt because it has a gold symbol. Back then, there was no symbols on the blister. It was just on the card. For instance, like this one. On this one, it's just on the side of the card. But nowadays, it's on the blister pack on the bottom. And also on this one, it has no symbol on the car. This has real riders, but this is just considered a regular treasure hunt. This car, the first treasure hunt, super treasure hunt we got, is not exactly the year they started putting the gold symbols and calling it supers and treasure hunts, regular treasure hunts, but it's similar, and it's the only one we have that's the closest to when they changed the thing. So, we're going to showcase all normal treasure hunts. Here's the first one. Chrysler Pacifica. This is a new one from 2021. Here's the Tokyo Dune Daddy treasure hunt from 2020. The Batman treasure hunt, one of my favorite ones. This one's really cool. Now this one, the So Plowed. It does have the symbol, and this is 2015. So I guess around 2014, 2015 actually, when they changed it. But this thing has a funny and cool backstory to it. My dad was just saying to me, hey, why didn't you just check that box of Hot Wheels I picked up? It was just a few bucks. And then I was going through it, and I found a treasure hunt. And I found something else in the box, which is an air car, which I will showcase at the very end of the video. But this is a really cool car, since I just found it in a box. Here's a 2014 treasure hunt, Mazda RX-7. It's the regular, has the gray symbol, and there's the treasure hunt symbol on the car. Here's another treasure hunt. As you can see, it's on the side, so they didn't have the symbol yet. This is 2009. Coincidentally, the year I was born. That's pretty cool. I like this car. An old 53 Chevy. Classic. Pretty cool car. I like the flams on it. We have two of these ones, because this one has a cool backstory too. Let's start with this one. If you look at the base, it has Malaysia. That's the common state or thing that they come in. But as you see on this one, it's Indonesia. Indonesia bases, I should say, only come in 5, 10, and 20 packs. This car is worth more than this one right here just because of its base. It's another variation, and it was a mistake, but it's still, see, we have it marked Indonesia variation, and you can go check out another channel that reviewing it if you want to know more. But those are some really cool treasure hunts. And if you want to know more about the Indonesia version, go to Hot Wheels TV on YouTube. He explains more about it. And now we're into the other super treasure hunts. The first one is this. You can see its name. Don't really remember it. Doesn't really see its name on this one. It's a little bit older one, 2000s. But that is what you would call a super now, but back then it's just a
Dune Daddy.
It's just a normal treasure hunt, but it does have the real riders, so that last one was the roll cage if you needed to know. Next here is a little concept super. Super because it has the rubber tires and the real riders, but in the Spectre Plane paint, but it's just regular treasure hunt, but it's a super for me. Next up, we got the Super Tsunami. Super treasure hunt, Super Tsunami from 2003. It says it on the card, on the car. That's pretty cool. I like that car. This one, based off one of the original 16 cars that Hot Wheel made in 1968. But this is the T-Hunt. But this is considered the double demon, not the demon. Pretty cool car. Next is the Hooligan. And this car is actually what they based off the Hooligan car in the mainline 2020 and 2021 series where they have the little screwdriver in the back. I'm going to go get one so I can show you. There's the car. Next is the Jeepster. Pretty nice car. Gold symbol. This is 2020. Nice car. Sweet 16 2.0 2000 treasure hunt. If they have that green symbol on the card or on the side, they haven't had the treasure hunt symbol on the card or on the car yet. Just had to make that clear. Pretty nice car. Also got that one at the Brass Armadillo. Here's one of my favorites, an old 442. There's it on the side. Focus. Yeah. You can see the green. But there's another super. This is one of my dad's favorite, because his favorite car is the Cougar. But here is a 68 Cougar Illuminator. Try to get it the focus here. Definitely looks nice. It's a very cool car. Here's a 2021 car that we picked up from Shields. Good find. Another super. Really cool car. So excited when we found it. We found two supers of the same car. 95 Mazda. Part of the Factory Fresh series. Nice Tampa work. This is a really detailed, cool super. Last but not least, 16 Angels. Christmas car. Factory sealed one. This does have the treasure hunt symbol on the car and on the blister pack. So, that's our review. Thank you all for watching. And please like and subscribe the video if you enjoyed. Thank you.